Hello, this is Bullis Student Tutors, and in today's video, I will be talking about how to use the Sticky app on your computer as a planner. When you open the Stickies app, you'll open up a plain sticky note that you can move all around the computer, make bigger or smaller, and this is a great template. You can also change the color to whatever color you want, so we'll just stick with green. And you're going to want to write something at the top, maybe to do, maybe planner, so today we'll just stick with to do. There's also an option at the top menu bar under font to make the font size bigger. You can also do this by hitting Command plus. And so I'm just going to make the font a little bit bigger so it's easier to read. The next step is just to go through and list out all of your classes. I like to just write the blocks because it's easier to see, but if you want to go ahead and write out the class names, then do whatever works for you. And if you really want to go crazy and have fun with it, I'm a visual learner, so I like to color code the letters based on the colors of the blocks. So this is essentially your template for every day using your planner. And basically, it's just a big to-do list. So you can go through after every class and write out the homework that's due tomorrow or things that you need to get done during the week. So, for example, you could have your English paper, a textbook reading, and put it under each class that it corresponds with. So what I end up doing is going back through, and any classes that I don't have homework, I write none, so I don't feel like I'm forgetting anything. And when I finish homework, I write done. So as you go through your day or your night and you're finishing assignments, I like to just delete them and cross them off and write done. That way when you go back through, you make sure that if you've written done, you know that you've finished it. You can also write little notes to yourself such as due in study hall tomorrow, or this is due Friday, and these are things that can help you just mentally see it and stay organized. So finally, I like to go through and bold the most important assignments, maybe the things you want to do first, underline assignments that are due the next day, and this really helps you prioritize and see what you have to do immediately or the things that are going to take you the most effort. That way you're maximizing your time. What's super great about this is that now you have it on your desktop throughout the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.